Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll be learning about the formula of square-based pyramid. So we'll be talking about the volume, the lateral surface area, and the total surface area of a square-based pyramid. So first, let's make a square-based pyramid. To make a square-based pyramid, first you make a square like this, and then you make a single point up here, and then you connect these vertices of our square with that point. And then we have a square-based pyramid. Now our base is a square, so all sides of our square are equal. We are going to call this side of our square, let's say A, okay? And we also need the height of the pyramid, so let's make the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid should be from the top of the pyramid to the center of the pyramid, okay? It should not be up to here, it's just up to here. So we are measuring the height from the top to the center of the pyramid. So this is our actual height of the pyramid, main height of the pyramid. And then if we join this top of our pyramid to the center of the sides of our square, then we get another height of the pyramid, okay? And this height is called the slant height, which is usually represented by L. You can denote this by S, but we are just going to assume this as L for our video, okay? So we have our sides of the square A, the main height as H, and then the slant height as L. Now, if we join the center of our pyramid to this slant height, we're going to get this side, and this side is going to be half of the sides of our square. So it's going to be A divided by 2. The reason is this entire side is our A, right? And when we join it from the center to the side, we get A by 2, okay? It's going to be half. Now, this side over here, okay, the sides of our triangle are also called edges, okay? So it's usually represented by E. In our formula, we won't have the edges, but sometimes when you're doing calculations, you might need to use these edges as well, depending on the question, okay? Now we have labeled all these parts of our pyramid. Let's look at the formulas. So first, the formula for volume of the pyramid is 1 by 3 A square H. Now, where did this formula come from? So let's say we have a cuboid. Then we know that the formula for volume of the cuboid is L into B into H, right? So this is our length, this is our breadth, and this is our height. Now, if it's a square-based cuboid, then these sides are equal, right? The length and breadth are equal, so we can assume them as A and A. Then what we would get is A times H, right? This is going to be equal to A square H. So the volume of a square-based cuboid is A square H. Now, if you make a pyramid from this square-based cuboid, it's going to look something like this, right? And the volume of this pyramid is going to be 1/3 of the volume of this cuboid, okay? So the volume of the cuboid was A square H, and the volume of our pyramid is going to be 1/3 of the volume of this cuboid, which is going to be 1 by 3 A square H. And that's how we got our formula of volume of the pyramid, which is 1 by 3 A square H. Now, what's the formula for the lateral surface area of our pyramid? So what the lateral surface area means is the area of these 4 triangles that make up the pyramid, okay? So if we are to look at the net of our pyramid, then it's going to look something like this, right? So we have a square, and then we have 4 triangles. And when we fold these triangles upwards, then we'll get a pyramid, right? So we need to find the area of these 4 triangles, which will give us the lateral surface area, okay? So first, let's just look at this one triangle over here, okay? So this triangle would be this part, right? And this is 90 degrees. The slant height is 90 degrees to this triangle. So if we make it here, it's going to look something like this. And this is going to be 90 degrees, okay? I'm making this triangle over here, okay? And then, so this is our slant height L, and we know that the base of this triangle is our A, right? So we have A as our base and the height of the triangle as L. And now we know that the area of the triangle is 1 by 2 times base times height, right? So our base is A, our height is going to be L. Now this is the area of one of the triangles. For 4 of them, we just need to multiply this area with 4. So we get 4 times 1 by 2 times A times L. So we can cut this 2 and 4. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and we get 2AL. And that gives us the area of all these 4 triangles, which is our lateral surface area, or LSA. So our formula for LSA of a square-based pyramid is 2AL. Okay. Now our last formula is the formula of total surface area. For total surface area, we have already calculated the area of these 4 triangles, right? Which is our LSA, which is 2AL. We just need to add the area of this square right here. And the area of square is A square, right? Since the side of the square is A, it's A square. So if we add A square with this 2AL, then we get the area of all the surfaces of this pyramid. And so our formula for total surface area of our pyramid is 2AL plus A square. Okay, so we're adding A square to the lateral surfaces so that we get all the total surfaces. So the formula of TSA is 2AL plus A square. And these are the 3 formulas for the square-based pyramid. Now, there is a little bit extra thing that you need to know when solving the questions of a square-based pyramid, okay? And that extra thing is, this is a right angle triangle, okay? So let's name this for now A, B, and C. This forms a right angle triangle. So we can always establish relation between this H, this L, and this A by 2 with the help of our Pythagoras theorem. So sometimes we might need the H, and L and A might be given in the question, or sometimes we might need L and A and H might be given in the question. So in those cases, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find any one of the sides of the triangle when the other 2 sides are given and solve our question. And that's it. So our formula for finding the volume is 1 by 3 A square H, our LSA is 2AL, and our TSA is 2AL plus A square. So if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future maths videos. Thank you.